By now, I hope you're familiar with our easy unload washer and dryer pairs like the 8200, the 8600. I've got the 8400 right here. I love how easy it is to reach the bottom of this. We've raised that drum up a little, given a nice slope to the top. So it's almost 3 inches easier for my 5'3" self to be able to reach the bottom of this one. What I'm really excited to share with you though, is we are now going to be able to pair it with the DLHC8402, the first heat pump dryer for our top load pair. So it's going to be more energy efficient. We've got great capacity in here with that 7.3 cubic feet. Our built-in intelligence with our AI sensor dry. And of course, it's going to come with our direct drive motor featuring 6-motion dry technology as well. So this is going to be a great pairing for any customer who maybe couldn't have laundry before, because it is that ventless design. So it just needs power, water, and a drain. No more ducting outside. Really excited to have a true laundry experience for any customer in any situation.